After you turn 60, something starts to happen that most of us just don't talk about. Your body can begin to lose muscle at a shocking pace. And I'm not just talking about getting a little bit weaker. I'm talking about the slow erosion of your independence, your stability, and your power to live life on your own terms. But what if I told you there's a proven way to not only stop this decline, but actually reverse it? What if you could literally turn back the clock on your physical health, rebuilding the very foundation of your strength? Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you why strength training isn't just a good idea. It's the single most important thing you can do for your body after 60. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room: aging. After age 30, we all start a slow-motion breakup with our muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia, and after age 60, it hits the accelerator hard. Studies show you can lose muscle mass at a rate of 1 to 2% per year, and your strength can drop by as much as 3% annually. In fact, it's estimated that between 5 and 13% of people in their 60 seconds are dealing with sarcopenia. And for those over 80, that number can shoot up to 50%. Think of your muscle as a bustling city. Sarcopenia is like that city slowly losing its people, its buildings crumbling, and its ability to get things done fading away. This isn't just about how you look in the mirror. It's the real reason why simple things that used to be second nature, like popping out of a chair, carrying groceries, or walking up a flight of stairs, can suddenly feel like a monumental effort. And while this is happening, your bones are also going through a quiet change. Bone density naturally goes down as we get older, making our skeleton more brittle. This dramatically increases the risk for osteoporosis, a condition where bones can become so weak that a simple stumble or even a heavy cough could cause a fracture. This 1 to 2 punch to our muscles and bones is exactly why getting older is so often tied to feeling frail and losing our autonomy. So, what does this actually feel like in your day-to-day life? It feels like the fear of falling has become your constant unwelcome shadow. Falls are the top cause of accidental death in adults over 65 and lead to over 90% of hip fractures in those over 70. A fall isn't just a physical injury. It can be a turning point that leads to hospitalization, a loss of mobility, and a shift from living on your own to needing assisted care. Losing muscle doesn't just steal your power, it steals your confidence. It makes you hesitate before you try to play with your grandkids, book that trip you've been dreaming of, or even just enjoy your favorite hobbies. Your world can start to feel smaller, riskier, and more closed in. So many people just resign themselves to this, thinking it's a non-negotiable part of aging. They worry it's too late, or that exercise might just make things worse. But that belief, as common as it is completely wrong. There is a powerful, science-backed solution that directly fights this decline: strength training. You might call it resistance training, but I call it your number one weapon in the battle for a longer, healthier, and more independent life. The evidence is simply overwhelming. So, let's break down the 5 biggest reasons you should never, ever skip strength training after 60. Reason 1. You can reverse muscle loss and get your strength back. The most immediate benefit of strength training is its power to fight sarcopenia directly. Yes, we naturally lose muscle as we age, but this is not a one-way street. Resistance training sends a loud and clear signal to your body: build and repair muscle. It doesn't matter if you're 65, 75, or 85. Your muscles never lose their ability to adapt and grow stronger. Research shows that even well into our later years, a consistent strength training routine can lead to huge gains in muscle mass. It wakes up your muscle fibers, forcing them to grow bigger and more powerful. This isn't just some minor adjustment. It's a full-on renovation project. The result? A real, tangible improvement in your daily life. Getting out of a chair is easier because your legs and core are stronger. Hauling groceries is no longer a dreaded chore because your grip and upper body are up to the task. Think of it this way: A sedentary life tells your muscles they're not needed anymore, so they start to power down. Strength training is the ultimate wake-up call. It's the use it or lose it principle in action. And with just 2 or 3 sessions a week, you can choose to use it and reclaim the strength you thought was gone for good. Reason 2. You can build a fracture-resistant skeleton. While cardio is fantastic for your heart, it doesn't do much for your bones. Strength training, however, is one of the best ways to increase your bone mineral density. When you do exercises like squats, lunges, or overhead presses, you're putting a healthy amount of stress on your bones. This stress signals your bone-building cells to get to work, laying down new tissue and making your entire skeleton tougher and more resilient. Studies on postmenopausal women, who are at a high risk for osteoporosis, have shown that regular resistance training can seriously increase bone density in the most critical areas, like the spine and hips. These are the spots most vulnerable to life-changing fractures. Plus, by strengthening the muscles that support your skeleton, you also improve your balance and coordination. It's a 2-for-1 deal against falls and fractures. It's like renovating an old house. You can't just slap on a new coat of paint. You have to reinforce the foundation. That's exactly what strength training does. It fortifies your bones from the inside out. By the way, if you're getting value out of this, and you're feeling ready to take control of your health, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We create content just like this every week, packed with practical, science-backed tools to help you thrive at any age. Your subscription really helps us reach and empower more people just like you. Reason 3. You can become fall-proof and move with confidence. That fear of falling we talked about? It's a valid concern, but falls are not an inevitable part of getting older. They are almost always the result of declining strength, poor balance, and slower coordination, all things that strength training dramatically improves. Exercises that challenge your stability, even simple ones like practicing sitting down and standing up, or balancing on one leg, sharpen your body's sense of its position in space. This is called proprioception. That sharpened sense, combined with a stronger core and legs, makes you infinitely more stable and less likely to stumble. Time and time again, research has shown that older adults who do resistance and balance training have a much lower risk of falling. And better mobility isn't just about preventing falls, it's about freedom. It's the freedom to walk confidently on a cobblestone street, to navigate a crowded grocery store without anxiety, and to get down on the floor to play with your dog or your grandkids. Strength training gives you the physical confidence to move through your world with ease, protecting your independence for years to come. Reason 4. You can supercharge your metabolism and protect your heart. Muscle is your body's metabolic furnace. Unlike fat tissue, muscle burns calories even when you're just sitting on the couch. As you lose muscle from sarcopenia, your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and increasing your risk for things like type 2 diabetes. By building and keeping muscle, you're essentially turning up your body's furnace. This not only helps with weight management, but also improves how your body uses insulin, which is critical for controlling blood sugar. And while we all know aerobic exercise is the king of cardio, strength training is its essential partner. It can help lower your blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol. Some studies even show that older adults who strength train regularly have a lower risk of dying from heart disease. Reason 5. You can add healthy, vibrant years to your life. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just to live longer, it's to live better for longer. Strength training is one of the most powerful tools we have to do exactly that. When you combine all these benefits, stronger muscles, denser bones, better balance, and a healthier metabolism, you get a massive boost in your health span. The research here is jaw-dropping. One major study found that older adults who did strength training at least twice a week had a 46% lower risk of dying from any cause compared to those who didn't. They also had a 41% lower risk of dying from a cardiac event and a 19% lower risk of dying from cancer. Another study showed that just 30 to 60 minutes of strength training a week could increase life expectancy. These aren't small numbers. They are life-changing. Strength training gives you the resilience to bounce back from an illness or injury. It keeps you physically capable and mentally sharp. It empowers you to be an active participant in your own life, not just a spectator. It is, without a doubt, one of the most effective anti-aging strategies on the planet. And it's available to everyone, no matter where you're starting from. We need to rewrite the story that says our bodies must fall apart after 60. The science is crystal clear. The loss of muscle, bone, and independence is not a done deal. It's a process you can slow down, stop, and in many ways, reverse. Strength training isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about taking back control. It's about making sure you have the physical power to live the life you want, to stay independent, and to look to the future with confidence instead of fear. The benefits are simply too profound to ignore. You don't need a fancy gym. You don't need a pile of heavy weights. You can start today, right at home, with your own body weight or a simple pair of resistance bands. The most important step is always the first one. Thanks for watching. If this video lit a fire in you to start your own strength journey, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to age powerfully. Now go out there and get stronger.